Alright, here I have my Samsung ATIV Book 4. As you can see, I've dropped it and I've messed up my screen, so we're going to show you how to replace the screen on this. First off, you need your computer, obviously. I have my new screen behind me, and you need a screwdriver. The zero Phillips head works pretty well for this, so make sure all your power is unplugged and that your computer is actually off. First, we get started. Alright, first thing you want to do on this is you need to take the frame off. I've kind of cheated. I have it started right here at the bottom, but that's the easiest place to pull. But there is no screws. On some frames they do have screws. Here it's just snapped on. So you just kind of start at the bottom and work your way around. It does feel like it takes a crazy amount of force to pull this thing off, but just keep going. It's really flexible. It won't break. So. Alright, now that we have the frame off, you have 4 screws, one in each corner here. And we'll just start with those and take those out. Make sure you're on a flat surface where you can keep track of the screws. You don't want to lose those. Those are important. Okay, once we have the screws out, it's pretty simple. You just take your screen and you just lay it over here. On the back here, all you need is this. This is the cord that connects. You've got 2 pieces of tape. You have this yellow layer right here. Kind of pull it up, and we're going to stick it right here and save it for later. Alright, and then you have another layer of tape just holding this wire in place. So we're just going to lift it up here. Alright, now that it's off, you can see it's just a simple connection. We can just slide it right out. Alright, and here we have our new screen. Make sure you take the plastic film off and everything. You don't want a pink screen, I take it. And make sure you take this tape off now, because if you don't, you won't have a chance to do it later. Alright. So I'm just going to set my new screen down here. Pretty simple. Everything goes right back the way it was. And there's the cord connection. Lay down our tape to keep it there. And then we'll use this yellow tape to hold it in place. Alright, once we've done that, right back up it goes. And you'll notice multiple screw holes on the screen here. Actually, only the right ones will line up, so. Alright, now that we're in place, back in they go. Alright, once you have all 4 screws back in place, set my old screen over there. You just snap this bad boy back on. I'm just going to start at the corner here. And just kind of snap it. You'll see where the bows are in it. So. And just work your way around the frame. Until it's all snapped on. Alright, there we go. Start her up. Voila. Just like new. Alright guys, thank you very much. Hope this helps.